Holy cow, folks, the Trump administration's political interference earlier this year into our public health system is one of the main drivers why we still have a measles outbreak ongoing. This is according to a sobering report from Kaiser Family Foundation News that outlined in detail various emails and communications with people involved with the situation. So local health authorities in West Texas started to notice an outbreak of measles in the Mennonite community in Seminole, Texas, and tried to get help, but they were unable to get really any help right away from the CDC because they were actually in a communications embargo where for several weeks they were not allowed to communicate with various public health agencies the way that they normally do because there were various executive orders in place trying to change how they were able to communicate and the types of grants that were being put forth. The federal government didn't send any funds to West Texas until May when the outbreak was already starting to significantly slow down. It takes a lot of time, money, and resources in order to combat a measles outbreak because the virus is slow growing and the incubation time takes several weeks. Therefore, it takes a while to be able to communicate with people, make sure that they isolate for a few weeks to stop an outbreak like this. And there are many sources that are now confirming that a lot of the cases that we have talked about over the past several months have gone undercounted at this point. So while the official numbers estimate about 1,400 cases in the country, it's probably hundreds, if not thousands of more cases that have been unaccounted for. This is a clear example of how public health can't function correctly if politics get in the way.